A Dhaka court today has framed charges against Nobel laureate Professor Mohammad Yunus and 13 others in a case filed over misappropriation of about Dhaka 26 crore of Grameen Telecom workers' profit participation fund. It is reported that Dr. Yunus and 13 others now on bail pleaded not guilty and demanded justice after Judge Syed Arafat Hussain of the Special Judges Court 4 of Dhaka read out the charges to them. However, the trial of the case will start on July 15th. Earlier, the same court, the 14 accused applied for exemption from the case, claiming their innocence. At the end of the hearing, the judge fixed today for the order regarding the formation of the complaint. However, on April 2nd, Senior Special Judge of Dhaka transferred the case to Special Judge Court 4 after taking into account the complaint filed by the ACC.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।